Hi, I'm Saska and I'm from Maria of Lapland, which deals with berries. I'm going to present you a process innovation which can be used for producing high quality dried berries. But first I'm going to start with something pretty cool. Frozen berries, -20 should be cool enough for you. These are home frozen. I did this about a month ago, put some berries in here. And now when I open the box, what do I find? Well, I find nice berries, strawberries, and a lid in which you can see there is some water in the form of ice. Now the question is, where does this ice come from? And the simple answer is that it comes from the berries. The berries have started drying, even if they are frozen in my little freezer and kept in an almost airtight container. They still try to dry. And this phenomenon is called atmospheric freeze drying. And it is the same thing that is utilized in production of dry meat in my home region in Lapland. Stuff is put outside in the wintertime and the dry air, frozen air, dries them. And it can also be seen when you put up wet laundry in the wintertime and it dries in a couple of days, even if it is below zero. So water in moist substances is removed even if it is below zero, and this is called sublimation, because the water in those substances is frozen and it becomes vapor. This sublimation takes place at very slow speed. So berries which contain up to 95% of water take quite a long time to dry. And the question I put to myself some 5 years ago when I found out that okay, this really happens with berries, that they start drying. The question was that could it be done a bit faster so that it could be utilized in industrial scale? And I found out that it can. By introducing a little bit of energy from outside, this process can be fastened so that can be speeded up so that berries can be produced at reasonable cost, still retaining very high quality and nutritious properties. So all in all, what we have here is an innovation which can be used for producing the well-known products coming from freeze drying industry, powders or berries which are light as snow. But it can be done at much cheaper price in much smaller units and by using less energy. So I think it is really cool. I hope you do as well and we meet on the stage. Bye.